You might think this is something strange, but the comfort zone is a great enemy to creativity. Moving beyond it necessitates intuition, which in turn configures new perspectives and conquers fears. Overcoming and accomplishing this will take willpower and endurance, much skill and effort. Things do not always come easily. A challenge awaits, something groundbreaking. It's beyond any project done before. 4,327 beads. This may look overwhelming and intimidating, but I ain't afraid to take on this challenge. Just one bead at a time.